Olá pessoal, it's Foster from Karaoke Connection, and welcome to our fundamentals course. So originally we created this course for students more in the beginning stages of their Portuguese language learning journey, but honestly we think you will find this course quite useful no matter what your level of Portuguese is. So in this video, I just wanted to quickly explain the course, the content, and the structure so you can dive right in and focus on improving your Portuguese. So let's do it. So Fundamentals is designed to be a 4-week program. You do not have to complete the course in 4 weeks, but it will certainly give your Portuguese a boost if you do complete it in 4 weeks. And in week 1, we focus on introducing yourself, introductions. We give you a lot of the most important vocabulary that you need to know when you're having everyday conversations. In week 2, we talk a lot about places, the most common places that you will always find yourself in Brazil, and how to navigate those situations. And in week 3, we focus on reading. More specifically, how to use reading to improve your Portuguese and how to really enjoy reading in Portuguese. And last but not least, the final week, week 4, is all about pronunciation. So we cover the most important and the most difficult sounds for non-native speakers, so you can really start sounding like a Brazilian and consequently having deeper connections with Brazilians. Okay, so 4 weeks, and in each week we have more or less the same format and collection of resources. So every week you will find conversations with me and Alexia, and we are speaking a little bit more slowly than normal, so things should be a bit easier to understand. And of course, all of the conversations include a complete transcript with a lot of notes, so you can really get a lot out of each and every one of these conversations. What else? And each week we have repetition audios and repetition practice. So essentially we take the most important phrases from the conversations and we structure them in a listen and repeat format. So we have repetition audios with Alexia, with Marco, and Felipe. So you will be exposed to a variety of different accents, and I really can't exaggerate the importance of these repetition audios. I know that listening and repeating is not the most fun thing in the world, but it is extremely, extremely useful to train your mouth to speak in Brazilian Portuguese and to train your brain to think in Portuguese. So I highly recommend listening to these repetition audios as many times as you can without going insane. And last but not least, we end each week with a workshop talking about the material that we covered in the week. And we recorded these workshops last year, so feel free to watch them. And if there's enough interest, we will record some new ones for our members. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you learn a lot. I hope you enjoy the course. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. Obrigado. Um abraço.